Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and today we are going to be making a guessing game on Scratch. Alrighty, so I wanted to do a guessing game because I put like a little community post to see what you guys wanted me to do next, and guessing game won. We might be able to do the how to draw sprites next. That's pretty useful. So we are going to create a new project, and this will be pretty simple. So we are just going to, you could keep the cat sprite. I'm going to delete that. I'm just going to pick a sprite. I'm going to do, just like I'm going to do like some sort of sprite or a Scratch sprite. I'm going to do this guy, Gibbo. Yeah, he's good. And we could just set his X to 0, 0. So then he'll just go into the middle. Perfect. And let's go to when green flag clicked. And we are going to create a new variable. And we are going to name it secret number. Secret. Is that how you spell secret? Yeah. Secret number, I think. Yeah. Number, yeah. Secret number, and just make it for like all sprites, because this is the only sprite we're gonna have. Again, this is gonna be easier than the balloon pop one. So we're gonna set the secret number to pick random to 1 to 10. So I'm gonna make it 1 to 15 to make it a bit harder. It's not gonna be like super hard, but the secret number will be a random number. So if we do this, it'll show up as random. As you can see, it's pretty cool that it's random. All right, so next we are going to be making our person say something. So we're gonna say, ask. Let me think. Let's just say, what do you think the number is? Let's do something like that. And let's go to control, and let's go to if sensing, and then we're going to go to operators. Answer is equal to secret number, and we can just hide that. Then we'll run some code. So all this does is when the green flag is clicked, it will pick the random number from 1 to 15, and then this guy will ask, what do you think the number is? So, and as you can see, this little bar will pop up, and we haven't coded this yet, and it won't do anything. So what we'll do is, so if it is the right answer, then we could say something like correct, or like bingo. I think I'm gonna do bingo for 2 seconds, and then we can stop all. So I think so what we're gonna do is we're going to repeat this 5 times. So we're just going to repeat 5 times. And as you can see, if we don't get the answer right, then it won't work. So let's duplicate this, and let's just let's take this and let's take this out and do, if it's less than, if the answer is less than secret number, we can, oh, sorry, you guys want to put this in an if else, sorry. Just take all of this out. So sorry, I forgot about the if else part about it. And I'll explain all this code when we're done. And we're going to say higher and lower. So this could just be like a kind of a fun thing. So we're just gonna, let's just say like, I don't know, yeah, higher would be good. So if we have a too low of a number, we say higher. And if it's too high of a number, we say lower. So let's try this out. I'm gonna first name my project. I'm just gonna name it guessing. There we go. And it says, what do you think the number is? So I'm gonna guess like 12. Lower. So I'm gonna do whoops. So obviously that doesn't show. Oh, so I forgot to do one thing. This is really important. Make sure to put that in there. So I'm gonna rename it to pick a number between, let's say between 1 and 15. So just make sure that's in the repeat 5. So I'm gonna guess 4. Higher. Okay, it's higher. 9. Bingo! Yes, I got it. So if we retry this, we could try it again. So we could say 12. Lower. Okay. 9. Lower. How about 3? Lower? Okay, it must be 1 then. Oh, 2. 2. Bingo! I got it. So, yeah, there you go, guys. That is pretty fun. And that's your own little guessing game for beginners on Scratch. And you guys could always upload this. And I'm just going to choose a quick backdrop. Something fun, like computer. No. I guess robot? Is there anything? Okay, I'll just pick, I don't know. I honestly actually don't know. I don't even know if I'm, you know, I'll just put these stripes pattern. That's good. Okay. So, again, we click, oh, and you know what, before I go, I want to explain the code to you guys. So, when the green flag is clicked, it will pick the secret number. So, it'll make a random secret number. And it will repeat this 5 times. So, it will repeat all of this 5 times. So, it will ask, pick a number between 1 and 15. And if the answer is equal to the right answer, so then it'll say bingo, and it'll stop the whole thing. If the answer is less than the secret number, then we'll say higher if it's too low, or lower if it's too high. So, yeah, guys, just click save now and click share if you guys want to share. You guys don't have to. And I'm just gonna put guess the numbers. Just that's all I'm gonna put. And yeah, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers at the end of the year. I'm really hoping to get there. Also, what I'm gonna do later today is I'm going to post how to make a little Lego Among Us character. So you guys stay tuned for that, and it should be posted later today. All right, guys, bye.